Welcome back. A clear sweep for the BJP in Haryana, but a not so clear verdict in Maharashtra, though the BJP is the single largest party there. Let's go straight across now to one of the most talked about young leaders in the campaign, Pankaja Munde, daughter of Gopinath Munde, a first-time MLA, and also in this campaign emerged as a chief ministerial aspirant, is joining us from her constituency of Bid today. Pankaja, congratulations on the BJP emerging as the single largest party, but are you disappointed that it is not a clear verdict?
Of course, I am happy but little disappointed. We could not get clear majority, so little disappointed, but we'll form government.
Pankaja, what happens next? Your father was among those who stitched the original alliance with the Shiv Sena. Do you believe the BJP has no option but to now reach out to the Shiv Sena?
See, right now I am in my district, which is quite 700 kilometers from Mumbai. I will be going to Mumbai in the evening, and we will all sit, all the core committee, and we will decide what is to be done. So I will not be able to kind of give a statement on this unless I discuss with my colleagues.
But what do you personally think, given your father's long association with the Sena?
Personally, I feel, of course, I feel we should form a government, and we need an alliance partner in that. And Shiv Sena is also one of the options.
Now, Pankaja, I want to ask you, even when I interviewed you and even in other interviews, you spoke about how your supporters, because they saw your father as the chief minister, if he were alive today, he would have been chief minister. They now see you as a possible inheritor of that post. Do you believe that with the BJP not getting a clear majority, you are back in the reckoning as a possible next chief minister?
See, first of all, I would like to clear this. I never on record, on video, ever said that I want to be CM of Maharashtra or I aspired to be. That was people who believed in that and they lost him and were little disturbed. They thought that it should be given to me. It is their idea, it is their blind love towards him. I on my own, never on record said that I am aspiring to be CM. But right now my core committee, my party leaders will decide who will be the candidate for CM, and whoever the allies will approve will become CM.
But you also said that you are a mass leader, that you should not be seen as inexperienced, that you have a mass base. You did say if you're offered the post, you will not say no.
See, of course, if I am a leader anyways. So if I am offered, if somebody says, what if your party offers you, your leaders order you, I cannot respect my leaders. Then in that case, I say I respect my leaders, whatever they ask me to do, I'll do. So that doesn't mean that I'm aspiring or I'm really being greedy or I want to do that. For me, I really wanted to achieve best results in Marathwada, and all the seats in my district should win, and I'm going towards that. I'm very happy, and this is biggest tribute I can offer my dad.
There's one theory that because of the historic closeness of your family to the Sena, if the Sena backs the BJP, it might back you as chief minister. How do you respond to that possibility?
That theory is not mine, or I don't know whether Shiv Sena has spoken about it. This is media theory, so I don't know how it will work out. It is not in my mind at all.
You don't think it's a possibility? You don't think it's a possibility?
No, I have not thought of it.
Now talk a little bit about your other senior, your state unit president Devendra Fadnavis, who was almost certain to become chief minister. There have been questions though about whether a Brahmin from Nagpur can be chief minister, whether caste communities such as yours, you were projected as an OBC leader, will assert themselves. Will you be, if Mr. Fadnavis is the chief minister, he's roughly your generation, he's only 44, will you accept his leadership?
Of course, why not? All the core committee members are equally, except Eknath Ji Khadse, all of us are kind of young generation leaders, so why not? Whatever my party decides, I'll accept it, and I will work under leadership of whoever becomes CM. So I will be happy to work with him.
And Pankaja, do you feel that the kind of rhetoric that the Sena used against Narendra Modi, calling the BJP team Afzal Khan's army, do you believe that can be put behind both of you right now?
See, if at all my party decides that we should come together, these things can be put behind, because this is how we can form government.
Who do you think is most deserving of becoming the chief minister of Maharashtra among all your leaders?
I'm nobody to decide this. It is my party leaders who are much more senior and much more mature and much more work experience than me. They would decide. I am nobody to decide. All of them are equally competent and all of them are equally good. I can't choose one.
And are you still in the contention for chief ministership?
See, my name was never given by me or my leaders. It came through media, it came through people, and I never said things which came in the paper.
Yes.
And I am suffering since last few hours. And you have spoken to me, I have spoken to the whole media of the whole national media, my regional media. I have taken more than 350 sabhas in my last couple of months. After my dad's demise, also I took care of everything and gave my party all the strength. I have taken more than 100 press conferences. I never spoke anything wrong. I never gave any loose comment in my life. But I don't know why yesterday I was targeted and I was misinterpreted by media also. So I would like to clear this very, very
targeted by the media
openly,
or targeted by people in your own party? Targeted by the media or targeted by people, your competitors in your party?
Not media. I would not say. I would not say the whole media. It's some newspaper was printing that. I can't even blame the newspaper also. Okay. It must be some miscommunication. But I am little disappointed because on record you will never see me talking and disrespecting anyone. I have always calmly answered my questions.
Okay.
And I always calmly went through whatever I had to go through. So I am very happy I could support and I could be part of this making CM thing, and I am there. My name is there. It's not given by me. It's just come.
Okay, Pankaj Amode, thank you so much for talking to us.